Hello everybody and welcome to another video on ACOnetwork. In today's Microsoft Word lesson, I'll be showing you how to stylize the text. Let's say how to select the text on different ways, how to change the font of selected text, how to change the size, if you want bold, italic text and so on. A lot of different stuff. But before I show you, don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike and share on. So let's start. First, I want to show you a few methods how to select a text. I already showed you first method, that is to left mouse button click on the beginning of the text you want to be selected, and while pressing this button you just drag mouse until all the text is selected that you want, and then just release left mouse button. You can also select text by click and release left mouse button on the beginning of the text you want to select. Go with the mouse pointer to the end, then press and hold Shift key on the keyboard, and while pressing it, click and release left mouse button and then release key. Next is, if you want one word to be selected, you can just double click on the word with the left mouse button. Let's say you can double click on the word you want to select, but not releasing mouse button when you click second time and you drag, you can select all the text you want and then just release left mouse button. So when we clicked on the beginning of the text and we dragged, as you see on the second word, it automatically selected whole word. But if you want to select only that what you want, it is very easy. Just press Ctrl and Shift key on the keyboard and keep pressing them, then just drag, and as you see, it will not select whole word, it will just select what you want. And when you are done, just release mouse button and those keys. Next is, let's say you selected one word and you want to select, let's say, bold without selecting all the other two words. It is very easy. When you have selected first part of the text, you just click and hold Ctrl key on the keyboard and just select the other part and other part and other part, and with that you select only the text you need. Let's say you have selected the text, and when I release mouse button, you see this window pops up. This window is named Floating Mini Toolbar, and you have all the basic functions that you need. Let's say you can select the font of this selected text just by clicking this arrow button and just select whatever you want. And as you see, it automatically shows you the preview of the text, and let's say Calibri. You can also select the size of the text. Click the arrow button on the end and just select the size you want, let's say 14. You can also select the size by pressing these two buttons, lower or higher number. You can also set bold if you want bold letters. You can click italic if you want italic letters, then underlined letters. You can also select color of the letters. Here you have a button which has a red line. If you click on it, all the text selected will be colored red, because red color here is selected. But if you want to change to some other color, it is very easy. Just click this arrow button on the side of this A and just select whatever color you want, let's say blue. You can also insert bullets, numbering, and you can add some more styles, but I will not go further into it for today. And if I select it again, all these functions that you see here, all these functions can be found here, up here in the toolbar, and many more. You can also align the text, what I already did in previous videos, like align it to left, align it to center, to right, or justify, and so on. There is a lot of possibilities that you can do. And let's say we want back to black color, just select the text, click the arrow and just select. You can select automatic or just select this black. Also, you can select all the, and another, I just remembered, if you want to select all the elements inside a document at once, it is very easy. Just press and keep holding Ctrl button, and then just press A key on the keyboard while pressing Ctrl button, and then just release both buttons. And if we scroll down, as you see, all the elements are selected. And let's say we can align this text to the right, we can change the color of this text to and so on. There is a lot of possibilities. What can you do? And that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Now if you have any questions at all, just type everything below this video in comment section. So, have a nice day. Until next time, bye bye. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.